Hi, can I ask you a question? What do you think of built-in refrigerators? I bet your average answer will be, oh, they look so nice because they are very well hidden inside our kitchen. But on the other hand, they are always just too small. But is this really a case? I don't think so. Let me present to you new generation of Gorenje built-in refrigerators, Big Volume G600 line. It's back there, very well hidden, so it's built-in. It has plus 50% of capacity compared to standard Gorenje refrigerator model. How did we achieve this? It's 193 cm tall, this is plus 15 cm we added on top, and also it's wider for 15 cm. So total capacity of 377 liters, 104 liter in freezer part and 273 liter in refrigerator part. Quite a lot of space, wouldn't you say? But capacity, it's not all what we can offer. Inside we have put advanced technology and a lot of flexibility for our customers. First of all, this appliance is no frost model. No frost means no ice means no cleaning means no problem. But what is more, it's not just any no frost, it's dual no frost. That means you have separate control and two separate systems of refrigerator and freezer part for top optimal performance and precise control of the temperature inside. It comes in D energy class, what is supported with inverter technology. Inverter, it's very simple. It makes your appliance run very smooth, very quiet, and for a very, very long time. On the other hand, we can offer noise level of 35 decibels. You wonder how loud this is. Actually, it's very, 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 very quiet. So you will not hear it at all. It's compared to the human whispering one to another. Our model comes with sliding hinge solution. Now, let's talk more about advanced technology. You can see here, this is AdaptTech solution. AdaptTech is Gorenje unique technology that actually recognizes your habits. The way how often you open and close the door during the day. And it automatically reduces the temperature prior to that in order to reduce the temperature stress. Because temperature stress, it's not good for the food quality. And we want your food to be of top quality all the time. Now, let's check a bit about the functions. Turn it on and off. Then we have Eco Mode. Eco Mode is actually the most environmental friendly function and on the other hand, friendly also for our wallets. Then we have Super Cool. In case when you buy a lot of new stuff, you let a lot of hot air inside, turn on Super Cool function to cool it down and to prevent temperature stress from happening. Then you can see here, you control the refrigerator part, and with this button you control the freezer part. When it comes to freezer, inside we have fast freeze function. For cool food quality, it's very important that when you freeze it, you have to do very, very fast. The faster you do it, the better is for the prevention of the good stuff hidden inside. And we did not forget on convert function. It's all about flexibility for our customers. And convert function actually enables that you turn this 104 liter of freezer part into one big refrigerator, or let's call it zero zone. So you can have 377 liter of the total refrigerator. We have alarm, so don't worry, you will never forget to close the door. Even if you do, the appliance will remind you on that. And on the other hand, we have inside the connectivity. With our Connect Life app, we keep you connected in our connected world. We are talking so much about flexibility. Let me show you something. First, inside we have multi-box. Multi-box is a special place for storing some delicate items, or you can use it in another way. You can use it also as a very nice egg tray. So 16 eggs altogether, I bet it's enough. You can change the positions of the shelves. You have here the bottle holder for all your bottles to be ready. But speaking of bottles, we have also this deep door bottle shelf with fingers to make your bottles feel safe here inside. What you probably notice is also this very nice long LED light from the side. It gives you perfect overview of the content, so you will never have to search for anything again inside. We have also two drawers, zero zone and crease zone. Zero zone, special drawers for delicate items like meat, cheese and fish. What is more, you can place really a lot of stuff inside because it's on telescopic rails. The same goes for crease zone. special dedicated place for your fruits and vegetables to feel good, and not only to feel good. This is actually a garden inside your refrigerator that keeps your vitamins good for a longer period of time. I bet you would like to have something like this at home. And let's be honest, it's always nice to have something new. So, plus 50% of capacity, advanced technology, and all this flexibility on the top, made in Europe, just the perfect solution for your kitchen. You can hide it very well and enjoy it. And we believe and know this is just the right stuff for you.